Thank you for watching this ioPSYte video. This video will help you make the conversion to the ioPSYte Client SharePoint site, and or if you're a new client, onboard to access files at the ioPSYte Client SharePoint site. Let's get started. You will receive two emails inside your inbox, to the email that's been corresponded on or to the email that's given when you get ready to onboard. And you'll see that the first one is inviting you to access to the SharePoint site, and the second one is inviting you to the shared folders that are part of that document repository. You want to start with the acceptance email. Go ahead and open that email, and then you're going to click on Accept Invitation. This will launch your default browser within your computer or on your phone. Once that happens, you'll be asked to click Yes or Accept. You want to follow the prompt and accept in the affirmative. At this point, you'll come to a screen similar to this. Now, you may or may not have apps listed depending on what we've set, so you could potentially just show apps and no listings of apps beneath that menu, and that's okay. From this point, you can go ahead and close this window. And then you want to open the shared folder email that you received, and it will look something like this. And then what you want to do is click Open. Once you click Open, it will ask you or prompt you to authenticate with your computer and or with an email account. If it takes you directly to this site, that's fine too. Once you arrive here, you can either A, save this to bookmarks and favorites so that you can access it from your browser, this particular location, to work on the files and folders that we're sharing and collaborating on, and or you can click on the sync button, which is circled in green there. That will create a local folder listing to those files and folders, and that will allow you to access those folders and files in a more traditional way, which is typically my preference. Either way, you just want to make sure you save it as a bookmark or favorite and or click on sync. And then when you open your computer, you'll notice that you'll now have a listing for the ioPSYte client site with the documents folder and folders that we're sharing. It should look something like this. At this point, if you are not, and I emphasize not, using Dropbox for any other application besides interaction with ioPSYte, you can then go into your programs and features, and or if you're on Mac, execute the proper procedure for uninstalling an application or program. You could remove Dropbox from your computer. Congratulations, that's all there is to it. Should you have any trouble, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help you get it set up, and we thank you for your time, and we just appreciate you as a valued client. Take care.